Leaf art is the transformation of ordinary leaves into extraordinary masterpieces. Artists around the world use natural leaves as their canvas, medium, and inspiration. From delicate carvings to vivid paintings, leaf art blends the beauty of nature with human imagination. The concept of using leaves in art isn't new. Many traditional cultures have incorporated leaves into rituals, decorations, and symbols. What's new is how modern artists elevate the leaf into a standalone art form. One of the most striking forms of leaf art is leaf carving. This technique involves carefully cutting away parts of a leaf to create intricate designs, often resembling lace or silhouettes. The result is a translucent, detailed artwork that plays with light and shadow. The Peepal leaf, with its strong veins and thin surface, is a popular choice for carving. Artists let the leaf dry until only the skeleton remains, then begin etching with fine tools. Every movement requires patience and precision. Painting on leaves is another expressive medium. Dried leaves are used just like paper, with watercolor, acrylic, or even ink applied right onto the surface. Artists often paint animals, landscapes, and portraits, letting the texture of the leaf add its own unique character. Some artists, actually prefer to work with fresh green leaves. These are usually painted with non-toxic pigments or natural dyes, which helps preserve their flexibility. Once the artwork is dry, it's carefully preserved with gentle pressing or sealing. In leaf folding, artisans manipulate pliable leaves like banana or coconut palm to form things like animals, fans, and floral arrangements. This form is common in festivals and ceremonies in Southeast Asia. It's a functional, temporary form of art, meant to celebrate a moment. Origami leaf art is an emerging style, where artists fold leaves into geometric shapes. The natural veins of the leaf enhance the final look, creating a blend of organic and mathematical beauty. The fragility of the leaf adds to the wonder. Stencil-style leaf cuttings often depict animals, faces, or symbols cut into the leaf surface. These pieces can take days to complete. One mistake could destroy hours of work. Cultural traditions really influence leaf art all around the world. In Bali, for example, leaf folding is actually used in daily offerings. And over in India, leaves are used in religious motifs, often painted or even gilded for festivals. In China, leaf carving is considered a fine art. Artists there create portraits of famous people or sometimes scenes from nature, all on a single leaf. The precision, honestly, rivals any form of printmaking. Nature preservation and awareness are, key themes in modern leaf art. By using natural and biodegradable materials, artists highlight the importance of sustainability. Each piece really reminds us of the beauty and fragility of nature. Leaf art is also used in children's education to teach about botany, creativity, and recycling. Kids learn how to identify leaves, press them, and turn them into greeting cards or collages. It's an accessible and eco-friendly craft. Pressed leaf collages are another simple but impactful form. Artists gather different shapes and colors of leaves, press them flat, and arrange them into patterns or images. The result resembles a mosaic made by nature. Multi-leaf installations use hundreds of leaves strung together into tapestries or hanging displays. These works are often featured in eco-art galleries or seasonal exhibits. They evoke a sense of flow, wind, and movement. In some cases, artists burn or engrave leaf skeletons using pyrography. This actually adds texture and depth to the leaf surface, producing an antique or tribal effect. These pieces are, honestly, extremely delicate. Leaf shadow art combines carving and lighting to project shadows onto walls. When placed in front of a light source, the carved leaf creates these dramatic silhouettes. It's kind of an interplay of sculpture and lighting design. Scientific illustrations on leaves are used to depict plant cells, insects, or even micro-ecosystems. This unique form of biological art connects the subject and medium directly. It's often used in exhibitions or environmental campaigns. Seasonal leaf art celebrates the changing colors of autumn. Artists collect vivid red, yellow, and orange leaves to create warm, textured designs. These artworks often reflect themes of transformation and letting go. Digital and leaf hybrid art is gaining traction. Artists scan or photograph leaf artwork, enhance it digitally, and print it on larger canvases. This bridges traditional and modern techniques. In festivals like Thanksgiving or Earth Day, leaf art workshops are held in schools and communities. Participants make garlands, wreaths, or centerpieces from leaves. It reconnects people with nature in a tactile, creative way. Leaf art also finds its way into fashion and design. Accessories, jewelry, and home decor use preserved and gilded leaves. Some designers embed leaves in resin or glass for lasting beauty. Leaf mandalas are symmetrical patterns created from layered leaves. These are inspired by Buddhist and Hindu traditions and represent harmony in nature. Making them is meditative and calming. Global leaf art competitions are now common. Artists from all over the world showcase their techniques, from India to Colombia. These events push the boundaries of what's possible with such a humble material. Leaf art is a reminder that even the simplest elements in nature hold endless potential. With creativity and care, a single fallen leaf can become a message, a memory, or a masterpiece. It proves that true art doesn't require rare materials, just a willing heart and inspired hands.